$100 every single day from this platform. Yes, this is OKX wallet. Well, to get this wallet, all you just need to do is to download the OKX app in your Play Store and switch it from exchange to wallet. And when you switch it from exchange to wallet, you'll be able to create a wallet with OKX. And once you're able to create a wallet with OKX, then you can be able to do what I'm about to show you right now. So all you just have to do is to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So what we're going to be doing here to actually make over $100 every single day from this platform is actually to mint NFTs. So minting NFTs in this platform is actually for free, and you can be able to mint your own NFT and list it on the marketplace and be able to put any price that you wish to put and that's attractive to someone and be able to sell it to anybody at that price. So it's as simple as that. All you just need to do is to go to NFTs, and if I go to NFTs, you see that I have a couple of NFTs right here. This NFT right here is from Seed, which I minted with some tone in my OKX wallet, and this one is the one that I created with my hands. And as you can see right here, that this particular one I created is actually selling for 0.005 Ethereum, which is about $15. You can check it by yourself, but I think it's around $15. But what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to create your own NFT, list it, and be able to sell it. So all you just need to do is here. This particular NFT that I created is already listed and is selling for 0.005 Ethereum. And well, it is going to be unlisted in about 26 days, 5 hours time. So meaning that you have enough time to be able to sell this NFT. That is if people are ready to buy it. So I'm going to be showing you how to actually create this NFT and be able to sell it. So all you just have to do is to go to marketplace, and when you go to marketplace, you see a lot of NFTs right here. You can see a lot of NFTs right here, but we're going to be creating ours. So all you just need to do is to click this right here, and when you click it, it will show you, it will take you to this, and you'll be able to create your own NFT. See, create, sell, as simple as that. And you see there are other NFTs right here that are also selling for some price or the other. But let's go and create. So when I click the create right here, it will show you upload your artwork, meaning that you already have this NFT stored in your phone or SIM card, whatever, or downloaded. But if you say generate AI network, meaning that this app is going to generate a NFT for you using your own ideas to generate it for you, as simple as that. So let's press generate AI network, and it's loading. Note that this process doesn't take a long time. It doesn't even take you up to 2 minutes to be able to do this actually. So let us see when it loads finish. So we are right here right now, and it says here generate your AI artwork. Understand me? Generate your AI artwork, and it says here in this place describe your idea. So all you just need to do is to put one idea or the other, then choose the style that you want this NFT to look like. Then that's all. You click generate right here. You click generate artwork right here. It's as simple as that. So let's do that. So what we'll just do is put maybe floating lanterns, then put okay, we just select this. Just look at it too. See what I selected. See what I selected. See, this is what I selected. Then select this. Then that's all. That's actually all you can see. Then all you need to do is to press generate AI network right here. So we press it, and it's loading. As simple as that. It's going to be able to. All you just need to do is to press confirm. When you press this confirm right here, put your fingerprint or your password. Then this app is going to generate your AI for you immediately. As it stands now, this app is creating your own AI. And after this, you press mint as NFT and name your NFT. Yes, you're going to be able to name this NFT as you all know. But let's name it. Okay, let's name it OKX art work. So depending on the name of your NFT, that is depending on how this NFT will sell. So the next thing you put is add description to your artwork. The text contains inappropriate content. Okay, let's change this name. Okay, yes, art. Okay, let me remove OKX. Let me just put art work. Then add description to your NFT for extra free. Let's just say inspiration. Inspirational. Inspirational quote. Motivation. No. Quote motivational. As simple as it is, then what you just do is to press Yeah, next. Yeah, as simple as that. Then you press next and okay, text contains inappropriate content. Please enter. Let's try again. Okay, the morning motivation. Next. Let's see whether this one works. So they accepted that, so let's just press confirm. And when we press confirm, it's loading. So successful. So let's view our asset. So when we view it, you can see that you've successfully created this NFT. Then all you just need to do is press sell. When you press sell, then you choose the time that this NFT is going to be. If it's going to stay for a long time, you can just choose as long as you want. Then confirm as long as you want. You understand? Then let's see the price. Or let's just put it in. Okay, the price 0.5. 0.5 is 1.655 kilos, but let's put it just one ethereum, something like this. So one ethereum is 3.3k. So when we put it like this, then press sell. It's as simple as that. And it's successful. To view my listing, when we go to view our listing, you can see right here that let's just wait for it to load. You can see right here that this is the first one, and you see let's selling for $16.54, and this second one which is selling for 3.31k dollars. So it's as simple as that. This is actually how to be able to make money from selling on these NFTs, and you can be able. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell it. Paste the links of your NFTs and actually sell it to people directly, maybe through social media. I'm going to be showing you that. But all you just need to do is subscribe and turn on the notifications so that I'll be able to get the video of that, so I can be able to make this kind of amount every single day for yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.